What's up, guys, and welcome to the All Four Wheels Garage. So I picked this tire machine up as a bonus. I got a balancer with it. So don't know how any of it works. He said it worked when he set it in his backyard. It's been covered up with a tarp, but obviously it's got some corrosion to the turntable. I've got it soaking with some PB Blaster. Some leaves built up down here. Definitely has some air leaks in what I found so far. Taking a look. Somebody changed over the push connect lines, a couple of them on this block right here, and put in some 1/4-inch ID fuel hose. Now what it's supposed to have is this polyurethane tubing. So I ordered some up off of Amazon, and I got some 6mm, 10mm, and 12mm. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rip out these bad lines and connections with this new stuff that I have here and see if I can get this thing working right. So come along with me. First thing to do is clean it out though, because I'm not trying to work around that. Hook up air directly to this cylinder, see if I can get the table to pop out. And if you can see it, try to move, but these are just stuck. So we got to work on the table some more. It does rotate, so the electrical part of it does work. All right, so it sounds kind of crispy. Let's see what we got going on. Make sure nothing falls off. All right, not bad. The table spins good. Like I said, we got to tackle these air lines. So first on the agenda is right here where I have this connected, and down to the base I got to make the connection. That's just a push on, and this is just like almost like a ferrule, slips on, but then you have a nut. So let's go ahead and fix that first. All right, so I went ahead and replaced this line here that we had leaking going to the air cylinder. Connects underneath here. See right there. And I went ahead and replaced these main lines coming in. So right now I'm going to go ahead and clean the turntable. I've kind of cleaned off the turntable, the grease that I put up here with some acetone, and I'm going to go ahead and wire wheel it, and we'll hook up some air and see what it does. Moment of truth. Let's go ahead and hook up some air to it and see if we can get these jaws on the table to come out, and see if I can clean up underneath of them and try to see what happens. Like the machine is filling up. Hit the foot pedal. Oh. All right, let's go ahead and work on cleaning this up and see if we can get it operating smoothly. Let's go ahead and next thing, try to get a tire wheel on it, see how it does. working on it, let's see for the real test. Will it at least dismount a tire? Let's go ahead and remove this valve core. Let's see if it'll clamp up this wheel. Oh, what am I thinking? First I need to break the bead. It's been a while. You can tell I'm rusty. Up here. All right, we got the rim locked on. Right there, lock it in place. Cut off the rim just a little bit. And I don't have the tire iron for it. Let's see if we can do it with this pry bar. Alright. And let's give it a spin. Wow, look at that. It's been years since I've done this. Look at that. No damage to the wheel. I say that's a success. Got a tire machine and a balancer, $200. And at least I got the tire machine working. I'll have to look into the balancer. So there it is. You've seen it work. This is its new home for right now. I've made a closeout panel for the side of it. I have the balancer in the back end of the shop. Got plenty of work. I'm super excited be able to do my own tires. My Eclipse GST right here, it needs some tires on it. They have good tread, but it's been sitting for a long time, so they've become dry rotted. The OBS K1500 here, it needs some tires all the way around. And if y'all been to the channel before, y'all know the 86 Toyota pickup. It needs some tires all the way around right now. So different size in the front and the back, and front ones are dry rotted and losing air. A lot of work I need to do with tires, and got the machine for it now. Super excited about it. So if y'all have enjoyed this, drop a like, subscribe. See you next time.